I felt obligated to wear a black turtleneck today because, well, that's what artists do, right? How about a dose of creative inspiration today? I pull out my watercolors every once in a while, so hopefully this Valentine's card will inspire you to create something of your own. Welcome to Artsy Cupcake. My name's Maria, and I share tips on the art of life, home, health, and style. I do fashion lookbooks, helpful reviews, home decorating, and recipe videos. So if you like those types of things, please make sure to subscribe. I had a lot of good feedback on my Christmas card video where I showed you in super fast motion how I hand painted my watercolor Christmas cards. Today I'm going to design a Valentine's Day card, so let me know in the comments section below if you like this type of video. So let's go. Here is the finished Valentine's card. Let me know if you guys liked this type of video, watching me create something, and I can do more of these in the future for you. I have a Valentine's Day cupcake video up too, so if you got in the Valentine's Day spirit watching this video, make sure to check that one out too. Make sure to subscribe because I put 2 new videos up every week, and I'm trying to build a community who shares with each other, and I would love to get to know you in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.